Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to today's live session. So quickly, I'm going to be taking you through this week's markets perception. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing in the market and show you a few. But let me confirm the feedback of the audio. Markets perception. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing in the market and show you a few. But let me confirm the feedback of the audio. Alright, so audio feedback confirmed. Quickly, it's been some kind of experience in the market. Like the market's been very, very, manipulative and quite slow. And the many numerous opportunities we find in the market in the course of the year, we don't get to see them these few days, and that's because the year is coming to a close. So, just the little opportunities that we see, I'm going to be sharing a few with you on how we can actually take advantage of it and maximize our profiting this week. Like I said, the opportunities are not very much, so be very careful. Don't blow your accounts. It's possible. It's better you preserve that account for next year than for you to take entries that are not you're not sure of and blow it. And then when we come into the new year, you don't have any account to trade with. So please share the links, share it out to all of your contacts. Let them know that we are live. Okay, live for this week's trading session. So I'm just trying to share out to all my contacts. All right, I've done that. All right, quickly, I'm going to share my screen now and just show you a few things. Okay, so I'm sharing my entire screen. Let me be sure what you're seeing. All right, so I'm going to start by showing you a few on the dollar index. This Bitcoin. So here is the dollar index, and the dollar index has been going massively bearish. Even though I didn't see that coming. Okay, because it took out this low. Okay, this low was already taken out, so I expected it to just maybe. But I think this is more like an inducement, so I expect the dollar index to go bullish from here because it's on a strong support zone here. If you look very well, we see that there's a strong support zone here. Okay, and there's another one here. So I expect it to buy from this point. So, but what I just need to confirm that is, excuse me, I just need it to shift structure. So the first structure I wanted it to shift, but right now it has given me a new one. It has given me a new one. If you can shift this one, then I'll go first bullish move with GU, EU, and all of the U's. Then once it shifts the second one, then I'll look for sniper. So the first one shows that it's going to go bullish shortly. Okay, so I'll go for bearish moves on the GU, NU, and the rest of the U's. The second one here shows it's going to give a bearish that's a bullish continuation. So this is it. Let's go straight to GU. Here's GU. You can see the massive buy. For those of you that was wondering, I didn't take this entry. It was so fast. It came in at all times. These days I'm particular at trading London and trading New York. Anything outside, I'm very, very careful because of the manipulations. Okay. And for now, since then, it's been helpful moving. blowing up accounts. So this is it. So once, okay, there's already another one here. Once this low is taken out, I'll find my short entries bearish. So I'm going to get my bearish move somewhere around here. Now it's going to be counter trend, counter trade. Okay, something like this. That's all. That's what I want. So it's not going to be very big, it's just going to be very small. So and that depends on when the news may occur. Last week was full of a lot of high impact news. So I was always looking out for the news before I decide what to do. So that's what I'm saying on GU. So whatever decision I make with EU, I'm going to post the updates for a very long time. I've not been looking at them because of the market manipulations. I've been focusing more on GU. Not had the time to look at all of them. So there are quite lots of opportunity that have been missed. The last opportunity I saw on EU, see how long it is. Wow, see, that should be like October. So throughout November, I didn't trade EU, but that's the right attitude, especially when you know that the year is closing. Same thing with AU, and the rest of them. So, but peradventure, the dollar index direction is very clear. I can look at them, but that's only if the dollar index is very clear. So if I find anything, like I said, dollar index clear, I'll give you updates on the rest of them. Okay, so meanwhile, let's just go to JPY. So this is what I'm expecting the Japanese yen basket to do. And giving a wide big imbalance, which is what you're seeing here, a large fair value gap. So I expect it to retrace back. Okay. So that bullish move can only be possible when this structure is taken out. Okay. So once that structure is taken out, we can get short bearish move. You can see I've already set my so this low has to be taken out first. Okay. What am I even doing? No, no. I think that's on the 5 minutes time frame. Because if you look very well, this low has been taken out already, confirming the bearish move. Okay. So if you go to the 5 minutes time frame, you're going to find that it's been going bullish, right? So until this low is taken out on the 5 minutes time frame, you cannot still go bullish. Now I won't even go bearish yet until this, because there's going to be a lot of manipulation. If I don't find the line that's take out this one, I will not have any business with going bearish because of the manipulations. So that's what I'm waiting for. So stay updated on the group. I'm going to give updates. Then for gold, gold has bought massively, even though I didn't catch it because I wasn't really on the system, so I was not really looking. So but I was anticipating it coming. So what we can do is either we wait for the retracement or we trade the pullback, which is once gold takes out this, we look for a short sell. Then Bitcoin cut this. So if you look at Bitcoin, you see that this is a recent structure taken. So I see Bitcoin going bullish, but I need to get a bullish confirmation. I think we can get that around here now. Can get that around here. So if this zone gives me that bullish confirmation, I'll try to go short. I'll try to go short on this zone. Bitcoin. Then I have the GBP Swiss money, Swiss franc, it's been very, very cooperative for some time. If you look, there was this entry I was anticipating. You see, it went very well. So what we're going to do is let's see if we can trade it with London tomorrow. So we have there's a recent break of structure here. Okay, internal, yeah. So I see it going bearish because this is already a head, left shoulder, right shoulder pattern. So this has been mitigated. I see it going bearish at least to this point. So if we find bearish moves from here, bearish confirmation, we'll sell. We'll see if we can catch this sniper entry for GBP CHF. Then we have CAT CHF. We have a lot of CHFs. So it depends on the one that gives us confirmation entry. We have CAT CHF. Not really seeing anything there. We have Euro CHF. Yeah, this one is bearish. This one is bearish. So if you get a bearish confirmation, I'll give you updates on this. Then we have US 30. This one is bullish. US 30 is bullish. Just to know exactly how long the bullish move will go. Then let's see. Then if I get an entry on US 30, I'll give you the updates. Then Nasdaq should be Nasdaq can go bearish if you get a confirmation, but short bearish if you get a bearish confirmation. So market is quite slow and quite boring. That's the only thing I can see out of these very interesting markets. So thank you for all of you who joined this live session. Stay active on the group so when I give updates on what to expect, you can be a part of it. See you. Have a great trading week.